Introducing Design Suite AI. It's not just another tool, it's a revolution in content creation. Design Suite AI is a game-changing, cloud-based AI-powered design and content creation suite that crafts mesmerizing ebooks, interactive flipbooks, info guides, and comprehensive reports. Whether your interest lies in health, technology, finance, or crafts, Design Suite AI crafts the perfect ebook for you in record time. Our revolutionary dual content creation and design engines are at the cutting edge of technology, built for the smart 21st century entrepreneur, ensuring unmatched speed and quality. Why spend hours, even days, trying to craft the perfect ebook or report? With Design Suite AI, watch your ideas transform into reality in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Input your desired topic, niche, or keyword. Step 2. Let our advanced AI algorithms design and draft your content. Step 3. Choose an e-cover, customize and tweak to your liking. Step 4. Publish and impress your audience. It's that easy. Design Suite AI unparalleled design and creation tools is second to none. It's essentially a content creation and design powerhouse. Early bird discount. Use coupon EDESIGN20 to get $20 off commercial license. Get Design Suite AI for just low one-time payment. Must-see Design Suite AI demo. Watch the magic. Instant Builder and Pro Builder effortlessly craft a professional ebook in just a few clicks. Watch the demo in description box and comments. In just moments from now, without spending thousands on freelancers or juggling multiple complicated software programs, you could be creating dropping ebooks, reports, info guides, and flipbooks just like these. There is nothing to install, and you don't need any technical skills. The creation process is so simple that even a child could produce these results. Experience unprecedented value with Design Suite AI. Dual builder engines. Create amazing ebooks, reports, and flipbooks in minutes. Build brand authority. Establish a solid reputation in your niche. Generate more leads. Captivate your audience with top-notch content. Boost revenue. Convert leads to loyal customers with compelling ebooks and reports. Build brand authority. Establish a solid reputation in your niche. Create stunning designs, 200+ templates to select from in 50+ popular niche categories. Cost efficient. Skip the hassle and cost of hiring freelancers or using multiple tools. User-friendly. No steep learning curve. Future-proof. Stay ahead with cutting-edge AI tech. Expand reach. Share your content far and wide, attracting a broader audience. Drive engagement. Keep readers hooked with interactive and high-quality content. Commercial license. Monetize your creation, sell your designs to clients or on marketplaces, and keep 100% profit. Priority support. Our dedicated support team is always available to help. And so much more. Early bird discount. Use coupon EDESIGN20 to get $20 off commercial license. Get Design Suite AI for just low one-time payment. A quantum leap in AI-powered design and creation innovations. Design Suite AI presents a major breakthrough with its unparalleled advanced AI-powered ChatGPT, Instant Builder, and Pro Builder engines, which sets Design Suite AI miles ahead of the competition. Instant Builder, the genie in your design lamp. You've heard of rubbing a lamp and making a wish? Well, with Instant Builder, you're doing just that, only digitally. Using the state-of-the-art capabilities of advanced AI ChatGPT technology, it's like making a wish to a genie, but for content. Here's how it stands out. Unmatched efficiency. Simply key in a topic, be it yoga techniques, digital marketing trends, or gourmet cooking, and let the AI handle the rest. Within moments, Instant Builder crafts not just one but 3 unique design outputs, an ebook, a flipbook, and an in-depth report. Quality meets speed. Say goodbye to compromising on quality for speed. Instant Builder guarantees top-notch, visually striking designs and content every single time. Pro Builder, the designer's dream workshop. For those who like to have full control over their creations, Pro Builder is the perfect companion. It comes loaded with your very own ChatGPT AI writer. While automation is great, sometimes you need a personal touch. With ProBuilder, shape your content narrative while the ChatGPT AI writer fills in the gaps, ensuring your content remains rich, engaging, and tailored to your audience. Full creative control. With features like table of contents and page numbering, a built-in ebook editor, an e-cover designer with inline editing, and a treasure trove of over 100 DIY ebook templates, it's like having an entire design studio, minus the overheads. Design Suite AI's cutting-edge features revolutionize creation and design for your customers. Dual Builder Engines. Design Suite AI integrates two powerhouse engines, the Instant Builder and ProBuilder. Both are intuitively designed to make the creation of ebooks, flipbooks, and reports a seamless experience. Whether you're looking for instant results with a single keyword or wish to take full control of your design process, these engines have got you covered. Chat-based ChatGPT AI Writer. Interact in real time with an advanced AI writer, making content creation feel like a conversation. Table of Contents. Automatically generate a structured and clickable table of contents for easy navigation in your ebooks. Page numbering. Ensure every page is clearly labeled for swift referencing. Built-in ebook editor. Seamless in-app editing capability lets you make changes and tweaks on the fly. Done for you ebook. Jumpstart your content journey with pre-made, professionally crafted ebooks tailored for various niches. E-cover designer. Craft compelling e-covers that grab attention and boost perceived value. 200+ DIY design templates. Get started instantly with over 200 professionally designed, ready-to-use templates. Unlimited pages. No constraints. Create ebooks, flipbooks, and report as comprehensive as you need. Built-in image library. Access a plethora of quality images right within the app. Upload your own media. Personalize your content by uploading custom images, graphics, and more. Millions of stock images. Elevate your design with a vast collection of premium stock images. AI-generated images. Leverage AI-created imagery tailored to your content. Ebook categories. Organize and sort your ebooks into relevant categories for easy management. Saved ebooks. Conveniently access and manage your saved projects. Multiple publishing options. Flexibility to export in various formats including PDF, Word, presentation, images, HTML, and XML. Password protect your PDF. Secure sensitive information by adding password protection. Add watermark to your PDF. Brand and protect your content with custom watermarks. Tons of free PLR content. Access a wealth of ready-to-use content across various niches. Landing page templates. Kickstart your promotions with 3 unique high-converting landing page templates. Instant Flipbooks generator. Transform any PDF, web page, or Word doc into a stunning flipbook in just 30 seconds. Mobile-friendly with HTML5 support. Security and permissions. Ensure your content remains secure and decide who gets access with robust permission settings. Unlock endless possibilities with Design Suite AI's content creation engines. Here are a few examples of what you can make. Info products. Craft top-quality digital products with ease. Perfect for selling or giving away to grow your email list. How-to guides. Position yourself as an expert by delivering step-by-step instructions on any topic. A sure-shot way to gain authority in your niche. Detailed reports. Dive deep into topics and present well-researched information. Ideal for businesses, educators, or enthusiasts looking to inform and impress. Interactive flipbooks. Give your audience an immersive experience with clickable, flippable digital books that engage and captivate from cover to cover. Infographics. Break down complex data into visually appealing graphics. A great tool for educators, marketers, or anyone looking to convey information swiftly and effectively. Digital magazines. Enter the publishing arena with beautifully designed magazines. Whether it's fashion, tech, or any niche, captivate your readers with each issue. Product catalogs. Showcase your product range in all its glory. Ideal for businesses wanting a digital footprint without the costs of print. Educational workbooks. Create resources for students that make learning interactive and fun. Perfect for educators and e-learning professionals. Travel brochures. Highlight the best of destinations with vivid imagery and compelling descriptions. A must-have for travel bloggers and agencies. Recipe books. Compile delicious recipes with mouth-watering visuals. Great for chefs, bloggers, or any food enthusiast. Now, you can build connections, grow a massive list, and generate more sales by creating content that your customers love. With Design Suite AI, it's a win-win. Early bird discount. Use coupon ADesign20 to get $20 off commercial license. Get Design Suite AI for just low one-time payment. Professionals and entrepreneurs of all sizes choose Design Suite AI as their #1 digital content creation tool, including digital marketers, authors and publishers, bloggers and content creators, e-commerce store owners, affiliate marketers, content creators, educators and trainers, freelancers, graphic designers, agencies, authors, social media manager, coaches, and the list goes on. Risk-free purchase minus 30-day full refund. We stand confidently behind Design Suite AI with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Give Design Suite AI a no-risk try for 30 days. If you're not astounded by the ease, time saving, and results, we promise a full refund. No questions.